Hi everyone, I'm Michael, and in today's video, we'll be discussing 7 key health benefits of regular exercise. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to stay updated whenever we post new videos. All right, let's jump right in. Exercise plays a crucial role in building a strong and healthy body, which is essential for a good quality of life. It's well known that staying active benefits your health, but you might not realize how much it can actually improve your overall well-being. The first benefit is boosting your heart health. Since the heart is a muscle, it needs regular workouts to stay strong. Consistent exercise supports the health of your entire cardiovascular system. The second benefit is lowering the chances of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. A stronger heart reduces the likelihood of developing these serious conditions. The third benefit is helping to control your weight. Exercise helps burn calories and also increases your metabolism over time. The fourth benefit is reducing high blood pressure. Physical activity helps keep you warm and your blood vessels flexible and healthy, lowering the risk of hypertension. The fifth benefit is enhancing muscle power and stamina. Strength training and resistance exercises push your muscles to grow stronger and more resilient. The sixth benefit is relieving stress. Exercise is known to be a powerful way to lift your mood and effectively manage stress. And finally, exercise has significant mental health benefits as well. It can help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, boost your focus, and improve your self-confidence. That's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you next time with more useful information. Stay safe and take care.